What's up, guys? It's your boy DK, and today I'm gonna be doing Zero Gravity with my boy Pringle, and I have a special guest, and he's my friend from school in IRL, and his name is Z-Tag. And today, all three of us are gonna be doing Zero Gravity now that CapCut is not working. So yeah. So let's get into the video.
Yay!
The most like trusted trend. He can also cuss, but it's just that because last time I tried blurring out, but then I didn't blur out one of your cuss words, Pringle, because you're so slick. Wait, I need to turn on this light. Go.
I just hit my hand so hard I think I actually need to retire.
Okay.
Turn on your flashlight.
Dude, they changed it so bad. What's over here? What's over here? Can we cut? No, we can't.
Nothing.
We can't cut. Okay.
Bro, turn off the headset. Don't. He's dying.
Oh, I know. Wait, this is OG. Wait, where?
This kid actually almost made me die.
Oh, wait.
Bro, it keeps making me in the main screen. Guys, come on. It's where the mimic is.
Uh-oh. Ah. And then when it turns green, you want to go on flash.
Oh, further. Go.
This
come
way.
on.
No.
Wait. Go. Oh.
Nothing. Oh no, RPG.
RPG.
Wait. There's no. Right there. The exit's right there. The exit's right here. Wait. I need. Okay, we need.
Let's go.
Okay, it's right here.
My stupid
go.
don't know. There you go. Okay, let's go. Where were you?
I use all my health.
Don't die, man. Don't die. Dude, I feel like something's in my back. Cause there is. There's nothing in my backpack, I think.
Yeah, there's nothing. Maybe
Whoa.
because it's just the weight.
Maybe it's just a game.
Maybe because you're stupid. Oh. No! Clutch!
W clutch! Alright. I'm getting
Chicken.
Oh, he's right there.
I'm dead!
Man.
Z-tag. The Z-tag. But I keep on... Oh my god.
Bro, you really caught him. Bro, who's... Yo, DK, bro, who's...
We need Z-tag.
What?
Okay.
Bro, turn up the flashlight. Let me check it out. Bro, we don't know where we're going.
Come on, hurry.
Alright, let's go. Go.
Oh, hell no.
This way.
Over here.
Yeah? Where? Over here. Stupid. Yeah. Check in. He started RPG. He died.
Did he?
Yes. See his grapplers right there.
Oh! Bro. Rest here, like, you may rest here, soldier.
Here, I'll give you one suitcase.
Bro! Dude, they have more suitcases!
They do.
Already have two.
1, 2, 3. There's 1, 2.
They have 5. Dude, they have 5.
5, 6. They have 6 suitcases.
Wait!
Here, take this.
Yo! Oh my god. Dude, we can get all of them. I know it. We can get all of them.
Yeah, but I don't want to drop my bag.
Okay, I got it. Dude, these crystals.
Dude, should I drop my OG backpack because you don't have one?
Who cares? Just drop it.
Alright, my boy. You don't have to hold it. It doesn't take that much work.
Just get that one, please.
I got it. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
They added 6 suitcases instead of 4. That's a lie come true, dude. This is what everybody wants. If Animal Company added a lot of suitcases, then we'll earn like tons of money. But Pringle, we could have earned more money, but you just want your OG backpack.
Yeah. Huh?
You only want your OG backpack, like bro. We could have made it. We can make tons of money just by doing this.
Dude, if Ben was here, what if we
Fucking good language and stuff. So they said like, oh, like don't watch him. Like he says bad words. Like, just make sure you don't watch like the bad words. You know. It's very good. They're unstuck. They're unstuck, dude. They're unstuck.
I've seen you on TV, bro.
They're stuck.
I watch a video on my
They're not
TV
stuck
and
no
my
more.
phone.
Good luck. Go. It's our chance. Why did you shoot your RPG?
Because I wanted to. I was, because it was too heavy. It was too heavy.
Then drop it.
I just went.
How did you die? Wait, how did you actually die?
I shot my RPG.
Why?
Anyways, the reason why they
Why?
had a new
Because
update in Zero Gravity is because they added something new about the selling machines, and it sounds much better, and it looks cooler. So,
But the selling machine doesn't even have a sound. I have one of my bags.
like, once you sell it-
I have one of my bags.
okay, it's a lot of suitcases.
Wait, if you sell too much, will it explode?
Yeah, like
No.
like if you keep on doing this,
No, if you
then
no,
it will turn
if you
red.
keep, yeah.
Oh my god,
Money.
13K. That's
Right. All right. Quarter the day.
Ew. Bro, that was weird.
You for a little bit.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Alright, as you guys saw, we did Zero Gravity. Thank you guys for 32
no fucking
subscribers.
mess.
I really appreciate it. And
And thank you guys for 335.
that is go follow my
Oh, it's your
boy.
best thing. Get out, bro. I've been on this
Go
channel
follow his
longer than you, my boy.
And if you want,
Yeah,
you
go
can follow
follow
my
my
TikTok.
TikTok.
I post really cringy stuff.
It's TikToks. Bro, what was that? Who's ugly? Who's